So today we will see this new concept, cyclicity of numbers. So these types of questions you've often seen in the exam, like 2 to the power 54, what is the unit digit? Similarly, unit digit of 2 to the power 323. Similarly, unit digit of this multiplication, and similarly unit digit of these types of problems. So you can't manually find, you can multiply. These numbers are so big that you can't try even to multiply so big number. So we will see how we will do this. Suppose unit digit of 2 to the power 363. So in this case, what we will see is that if we take suppose 2 to the power 1 is 2 at unit digit, 2 to the power 2 is 4 at unit digit, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, so 6 is at unit digit, 2 to the power 5, then we get 32, so 1 2 is at unit digit. So you will see that after 4 it has started repeating. 2 to the power 6 is 64, see again it has started repeating. 2 to the power 7 is 128, see again it has started repeating. So 2, 4, 8 and 6, these are the cyclicity table of 2, that if we suppose 2 power 1 is last digit is 2, 2 to the power 5 the last digit will be again be 2, 2 to the power 9 again the last digit will be 2. So after every fourth interval we will find the 2 as repeating unit place. Similarly, if 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 6 will be also 4, and 2 to the power suppose 14 will be also 4. So by this is the cyclicity table for most of the numbers, like from 1 to 10. So we don't need to learn them, because in a question anyhow we will have sufficient time to see the last digit. So this is the question that I will be trying to solve, and it will clear most of your concepts. So let's see how to deal with such questions. So here 11 to the power 11, 12 to the power 12, so it is a sum and we have to find the last digits. So for unit digits you don't have to worry about the tens place digit, okay, so just eliminate that. So we can write it like this: 4 to the power 14 and 5 to the power 15. Now we will find for every digit we will see what is the cyclicity. So for 1 we know that at unit place we will get 1 only. For 2 we know that when it is 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 6, and again 2 to the power 5 we get 1. So here at 12, so 12 will be multiple of 4, so we will get 6 at unit place. Now if we see for 3, so for 3 square 9, 3 27, so 7 is the last digit, 3 4 81, so 1 is the last digit. So if you find again it will start repeating. 5 is 243, so 3 here last, which is repeated. 4, okay. So for 13, like for in the 3 to the power 4 we will get 1. So if we divide 13 by 4, so we will get 1 as remainder. So means at 1, again at 1 we will have to come. So 3 will be the unit place digit. Similarly for 4, if we see 4 square is 16, so 6 we will at the final unit place. 4 cube is 64, so again we will 4, so either we will get 4 or 6. So here the cyclicity of 4 is either 4 or 6. So when it is odd number we get 4, and when it is even number we get 6. So here we can see even power, so we will get 6. And for 5, if we see that at any power of 5 we get 5 only at units place, or like here also 25, so we will get 5. So now it has become very easy. So we just have to see the repetitions that occur. So this 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 5 21. So 1 is the answer, 1 is at the unit place. So I think you have understood the concept, and and you can practice more questions based on this concept. So I will see if I could add more questions in later videos. Thank you.